So I got a fork seal here that I need to replace on this Indian Scout 2017. This one is leaking. Look at that. Might as well replace both. Dealership 1750 to do both. That with part and labor, you can do this within an hour. Save you some money. And you can buy the parts for 20 bucks on eBay just to seal. I just did this one here, and I bought the whole kit. You don't need to buy the whole kit, just buy the seal. The whole kit cost me $65 each size. That was a waste of money. You know, beside the thing that looks bad was the seal, that's it. So I did that one, and I'm about to do this one right here. So let's get started. So I got her jacked up. Make sure she is free in the front, because we will need to take this one out, so we can get to the fork. Having the right tools will save you a lot of time and headaches. That's right, especially the impact driver. And that's the fork seal kit, not the kit but the tool to set it in. Alrighty, these are my wrench, my hex, and let's get started. So first you have to take that caliper out, make it easier to take the wheels out. These bolts here on both sides, up here as well. Loosen this up right here, the lights, and then we will do this side as well. This one have a pinch bolt, so you have to take that to kind of loosen that. And then same thing, both sides here, and loosen this, and we're gonna slide this out. All right, everything is loose. Just give this a little wipe. And just twist it slowly. One down. Actually, this one is not leaking. This one is, but I'm gonna go ahead and do both. So now you have to hit this with an impact driver. It's gonna be 30, 30. I don't feel any nicks along here. It's nice and clean. hold it down, the spring gonna pop. So put a little bit of pressure down while you unscrew by hand. Oh, there we go. Just like that. That is strong spring. So this usually go like this, that, and then that thing is screwed down. So here's the spring. I will need to take this completely off so I can get to the bolt in here. You have to take the pinch bolt off completely to get to the bolt in here. I'll show you. Let me drain all this out first. And here's the bolt in there. I will need impact driver. This 8. That's it. If you don't have that, you'll be struggling with the regular ratchet, because when you spin that, this piece in here keep on spinning inside. And the only thing to take that out, if you don't have the impactor, you got to jam something. You have to jam something in here to hold it from spinning. So save your time and headache, just buy the impact driver. That bolt should come out right there. That's the bolt. That goes there. All right, now you just pull it. Oh, you gotta get this out. This dust cover. Get my glasses for this one here. The dust cap still looks good. There's no cracks, so I can reuse that. All right, once you get that dust cap out, there's a clips in here that need to be removed. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's right in here. Going like that. See, popped out. We're gonna reuse that. You don't need to buy the whole kit. If you buy the whole kit, that come with it. And then now you just pound this up. It should come up pretty easy. There we go. Ooh, it's dirty. Now you can clean this with a mineral spirit. I'm probably gonna spray with brake cleaner and get all this stuff out, this old oil out, as much as I can. The kit also comes with these, but you don't need to replace it. You just need to replace the seal right here. This, I'm gonna leave it as is. Here's a seal. That seal's still good, but I'm gonna replace the whole, just both sides, brand new kit, seal. Just brake cleaner. This is what I have. I don't have mineral spirit. All right, let's put it back. one go in here. This pipe go in there. And then this one. And then we have a bolt. Let me hand tie that first. That's tight right there. That's good. And here's the new seal, got from eBay. $20 for 2. Alright, make sure you wipe this. There's nothing here. I put grease a little bit around here so it's slide out easier. So the written number is facing up. You can see it. Just put it around here. Just a little bit. You don't need that much. All right, let me get my seal driver and drive it down. All in. You can see the groove right there. And it's inside the groove. That's it. On the spec sheets, it say it needs 335 fork oil. $335. All right, let's add some oil in. I'm gonna do it's up to 150, so I'm gonna do 2 of these and then 35. That should be 335. That's twice already, and do 35 here. All right, you can pump this to get the air out. There's not much air in there. You don't even hear the air going in and out. All right. Washer. This. And this. Just press it down and turn. Good. All right, just tie this down and we are done on one side. That's good enough. And that's it, folks. And you do the other side the same way.